Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Now, I've been telling y'all, make sure you look for deals for these seeds. A lot of people is looking for seeds, especially in my area. Y'all, I'm in Ace Hardware because I came here to get a duster, okay? Y'all know I use diatomaceous earth. So this duster is for powder. It's a sprayer, okay? And it's only for powder. You don't put no water in. You put the powder in it, and it poof sprays on your stuff. So I came in Ace Hardware to get this, and look what I saw, y'all. Now y'all know good and daggone well you can't beat this with a stick, okay? Look at this. These are seeds. Mustard Southern Giant Curl, $1 for all these seeds. And you know your girl finna go crazy, alright? So I'm gonna take all of those. What are these? Purple Top White Glow, all of those. Mustard Florida something. Day greens, I'll take all those. Old fashioned hand picked mustards, $1 each, and I'll take all those. Make sure everybody is empty. Y'all, I wished I would have known this. So then they have like these right here. They $3.99. I know what's coming to get my seeds, because this is what made me look. And then over here, so getting this stuff clearance, y'all know I can't beat this. Y'all know I can't let this go. These big bags of seeds for $1. Y'all know that ain't in my soul. It ain't in my this is, I'm like a child. Let's see. I'll just take the whole box up there. Y'all know that ain't in my soul, y'all. That ain't in my soul. Get up, get out, and get what you need. Look, they have stuff discontinued and everything like that. Get what you need. Look, you gotta get out, and you got. Oh, I just looked. Look, y'all. Look, I just saw these. Okay? I'm looking. Look, let me tell y'all like this. I am looking. I saw under there. Look at it. They're $1. These is okra. Yeah, I'm gonna get those. I'm taking all. I wish I seen some more somewhere. No. Yes, thank you. So this is so yeah, I'm gonna get all these, y'all. So that's what I want to share with y'all. Make sure you are watching and figuring out and seeing and looking, because you may find some good deals, okay? Ace Hardware. And then look, y'all, they got yellow onions. I know I don't have none of these. They got sweet onions, red onions, and white onions. I'm gonna get some sweet onions. And I'm gonna figure out how to keep them. Let me see. The location. Okay, so hopefully they'll be good. I'm gonna put them somewhere to have for the springtime. But this is what you gotta do. You gotta get it while you can. Now these are $3.79 each. So I'm gonna definitely, because I am growing indoors, so I'm just gonna get the sweet onions and the yellow onions. I don't really want to buy purple and white onions because of the, yeah. Right here, y'all, they got grow bags too. Like these right here, $7.99. Planter bags. They got different sizes, different prices. That one $8.99. So y'all check if y'all got Ace Hardware. I know my Mississippi people, I know we got Ace Hardware in Mississippi, because that's where we would go and get a lot of our stuff, you know, tools and stuff. So I know it's one down there, okay? Everywhere else, I don't know if y'all got Ace Hardware, but if you do, you need to get there and start seeing what they got, okay? Remember, Ace Hardware is a company, okay? So it's in a lot of places.